All right, let's check it out. Just gonna do a quick morning setup about 6:45. I'll check, see where we at. See what we can get rid of off this hourly. Get rid of that one. Like I said, get rid of anything that's old, not coming into play. You see I had the hourly way down here, but we're getting more points touching through there. So just drag that up. Drop it right there. And if you notice now, somewhat of the base right there. Took some trades last night. I called out 2740 as the level I wanted to see touch. Touch right there. Came up to about 50 where I had my stop at. And nice move there from 750 all the way back down to this 5-minute channel, which was 01. That's 50 points in 3 hours. After hours, that's not bad. But we're going to keep that. We don't really have a lower high on the hourly, so we'll keep that right there. So I'll go ahead and close that one. I'm going to jump over to the 15-minute. Do the same thing. Blow it up. Take a look, see what we have. Coming from here, you would have had a lower high, a lower high, a lower high. So I'm going to start a 15-minute lower high from these points here and these points here. And you see it's kind of using it as support right there. We'll come through. Here is probably going to be the actual spot, because when it broke out with strength to the low side, came up, found support, broke out, got back in, came up, resistance. So that's a good 15-minute right there. I'm gonna go ahead and change that to pink. We'll change it to pink. So we have a big 15-minute inside, big 15-minute up channel inside, and then we got this small 15-minute in the inside of that one. So that's what I see on the 15. Go ahead and shrink that. Let's go to the 5-minute. 5-minute. Clean. That was so clean. But let's see what we have on the 5-minute. Let me bring this to where we're at right now. If you notice, this 5-minute right here actually could come up to about right there. Notice, boom, 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 boom. So we're still in a 5-minute up channel. I don't really see any down channels. We can call that a new lower high off of this. It would kind of give some expectation on if it gets back into that channel there. And then we'll just put the low right there. Go ahead, change this one here to, like, I think it's that purple color, 5-minute down. Yep. So 15-minute up channel, got a 15-minute down channel kind of starting in there. And then we're outside of the 5-minute up channel. So sweet right there. I like that. All right, let's check out the chart that we actually would trade. See how it all comes together. So this big gigantic area that you see shaded, that's the 15-minute up. Oh, look at that. Didn't I tell you that was so sweet? This is pre-market, so the moves look extraordinary, but it's only 3 points. I would size in probably being like 5 or 6 MNQs right there. So 3 points on one, it's gonna be $6. On 5 of them, it's $30. But I knew that was gonna be a nice move there. That was setting up nice. So now what you want to see, back this out, is it get in this 5-minute down channel, and then this has room to the base of the 5-minute down channel and to the base, or not to the base, but down the VWAP. Smooth, clean right there. Intraday looks like the same level. And for this 5-minute, I'm gonna just bring and set it right there. That's the good thing about going down a time frame. You can kind of tighten it up. But I'm not even worried about an intraday right here. If anything, I can start an intraday right here. And it just kind of comes from looking at these charts, how I kind of can see my levels. Boom. So that's the intraday up channel. And then notice I'm using this point. You come through here, you see a lot of areas touching. Come through here, and then you get those areas touching right there. So this intraday is just kind of running parallel to the 5-minute. But that's it, y'all. Quick little video on me getting my areas on the charts laid out. And now I'm just looking. This gets back in this intraday up channel. Notice what it did when it would get in there, just shoot up. So that's my long. My short is going to be when it gets back in this pink area. That's going to be my short when it gets back in the pink area. I'm up good in both accounts. You see I'm up 153 in the 200 or in the 25K PA account. I'm up about 1182 in the 250K. So I'm only risking, I'm gonna risk basically one red trade in each of those accounts, and then I'll be done for the day. Other thing to look at real quick, we're wedged in right here. So if this continues to come over here, this is gonna kind of pressure makes a pipe burst. It's gonna let loose. But look at that, back in the channel, nice explosive move back up. All right, y'all. I'm gonna wrap this one up straight from here. Just a quick down and dirty video of me getting my charts ready for the 7 a.m. session, which will be in 10 minutes. Peace.